Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope you all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is all about the haircut ideas for overage ladies. Overage ladies, short haircuts with the short bob haircuts, lob haircuts. Guys, in this collection you see the approximately 100 plus ideas, and 100 plus means the short haircuts. And I prefer when you cross 40, 50 and 60 age, you take only the short haircut that groom your personality and look so smart and young. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel. Top Fashion Collection is one of the best platform you never see, because one of the best trending ideas of haircuts are available on my YouTube channel. Top Fashion Collection is one of the best platform guys. Watch my videos on daily basis. Look so young and look so adorable. Look so crazy. Look so amazing. If you have any question about the haircuts, then ask me in comment box. Give your feedback in comment box, when you like, when you dislike. Like my YouTube channel, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, then your first duty and your first responsibility to YouTube Top Fashion Collection to subscribe and like and share with your family and friends. Haircut about the 40, 50 and 60 age ladies who look so smart and look so young. Bob&Lob haircut, deep haircut, front haircut, back haircut, a huge amount of guys collection. Thank you so much guys to appreciate on my YouTube channel, one of the best platform, and hope you like the video. Thin haircuts, beautiful girls, beautiful overage ladies look so young, like 20-50 age, because when you take a haircut your personality is automatically changed. You look so crazy, you look so amazing, and everyone like you. Your inner personality is automatically changed. You love your personality, you like your personality, because you are the best when you take any haircut. Haircut increase your beauty, increase your inner satisfaction, increase your confidence level. Age is just a number, but your personality is evergreen. Then my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection provides you outstanding ideas of haircuts for every age. Lob haircut, bob haircut, pixie haircuts, dye haircuts, dye with the beautiful ideas. Thank you so much guys to watch the video on daily basis, and thank you for your time spent with me, and don't go, stay with me with the Top Fashion Collection. Thank you, take care and bye bye. But the video is not stop, watch the video till the end.